Werkzeug versus Waitress versus CherryPy. In today's lesson, we will be exploring 3 different web server gateways and frameworks commonly used in Python web development: Werkzeug, Waitress, and CherryPy. Werkzeug. Werkzeug is a WSGI utility library for Python. It provides a range of utilities and components that can be used to develop a web application. It is not a framework itself, but rather a toolkit that can be used to build your own framework. Features of Werkzeug. WSGI compliance. Werkzeug is compliant with the Web Server Gateway Interface, WSGI, which is a standard interface between web servers and Python web applications. Request and response objects. It provides request and response objects that encapsulate all the information you need to handle HTTP requests and responses. Routing. Werkzeug includes a powerful URL routing system. Debugging. It has a built-in debugger that can be very helpful during development. Code example. Here's a simple Hello World application using Werkzeug. Comparison. Flexibility. Werkzeug is highly flexible and allows developers to choose their own components and structure. Learning curve. It has a steeper learning curve compared to frameworks like CherryPy due to its toolkit nature. Waitress. Waitress is a production-quality pure Python WSGI server with very acceptable performance. It is designed to be easy to set up and use. Features of Waitress. Pure Python. Waitress is written entirely in Python, which makes it easy to install and use in various environments. Ease of use. It is designed to be simple and requires minimal configuration. Compatibility. Waitress is compatible with most WSGI applications. Code example. To serve a WSGI application with Waitress, you can use the following code. Comparison. Performance. Waitress is optimized for production environments and can handle a higher load compared to Werkzeug's built-in server. Simplicity. It is simpler to use than CherryPy for serving WSGI applications, as it requires less boilerplate code. CherryPy. CherryPy is a minimalist, object-oriented web framework that makes it easy to build web applications in Python. It is designed to be fast and simple to use. Features of CherryPy. Built-in server. CherryPy comes with its own production-ready server. Simplicity. It allows for the creation of web applications with minimal boilerplate code. Configuration. Offers a flexible configuration system. Extension. Can be extended with filters and tools. Code example. A simple CherryPy application looks like this.
a cup of kindness yet for all.
Comparison. Framework versus toolkit. Unlike Werkzeug, CherryPy is a full-fledged web framework with its own built-in server. Ease of use. CherryPy is known for its ease of use and minimalistic approach, making it a good choice for beginners. Performance. While CherryPy server is production-ready, it may not perform as well under heavy load compared to Waitress. Last word. Werkzeug is a toolkit that provides flexibility and control, ideal for developers who want to build their own framework. Waitress is a WSGI server that is easy to set up and suitable for production environments. CherryPy is a web framework that simplifies web application development with its object-oriented design. Thanks for joining me. Let's compare again soon.